everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let me share your custom manufacture Fpc board using high quality EDID 1825 adhesive substrate that the heat resistant temperature can generally reach 288 Celsius. Precision control of the board thickness 0.16 m. Balancing of the flexible and the stability. Fine line out of the circuit ensure efficient and reliable signal transmission. Delivery time of 5 days, helping to accelerate product landing. Adapt to the multiple scenarios such as the laboratory research, flexibility band, and adapt to the complex space. In power equipment, miniaturization and high performance, and size smart opportunities. Find material to implement more your project. Let's appreciate uncles.